the basic pattern for children's wear. Front body Tle Dressmaking 9, third quarter, week 3. Drafting the pattern for children's wear, it is necessary to consider the child measurement rather than their age, because children of the same age vary directly in height. Before drafting the pattern, take the needed measurement first according to the design chosen by the client. This week learning objectives is to enumerate the measurements needed in drafting the front pattern for children's dress, follow the steps in drafting the basic pattern for children's dress, and draft the front pattern for children's dress. Let's have a review. Bodice is the upper part of the garment. Black pattern. This is a basic or foundation pattern which utilizes the actual body measurements without seam allowance. Dart is a fold which gives shape to the garment. Tools and materials needed in drafting the black pattern. Tools: tailor square or L square for drawing perpendicular line. Ruler for connecting short distances. Pencil for marking the pattern. French curve for shaping the armhole and neckline. Hip curve for slight curves. Material: pattern paper or Manila paper. For those who have not a French curve, you may trace any cardboard picture that follows. These are the pictures. This sample of measurements will be used in the process of drafting a front bodice. Table 1, measurement needed. Name of the measurements: shoulder, bust, height, figure, bust distance, bust, waist, skirt length, neck depth, and armhole, with their corresponding abbreviation and sample actual measurement needed, and the measurement that need to do in order to compute the measurement to be used in pattern drafting. These are the procedures in drafting the basic pattern for children's wear. For the preliminary procedure, you have to get at least 1/4 pattern paper or Manila paper. Second, draw a perpendicular line by tracing the outer edge of a tailor's square. If no available tailor square, measure 1 inch from the top edge, then draw a horizontal line. Measure 1/2 inch from the left side or edge, then draw vertical line. Mark the corner of the vertical and horizontal line as point A. These are the process to be done for front bodice pattern. Number 1, A is a starting point. From letter A to B, you have to measure downward 4 inches for neck depth. Number 3, A to C, you have to measure 4 1/4 inches for the chest line. And A and D is the 1/2 of armhole downward. From letter A to E, figure measurement. You have to draw horizontal line to the right for points B, C, D, E. Number 6, A to F. You have to measure 3 inches to the right, then connect the F to B with a French curve to shape the neckline. You have to measure one of your shoulder measurements to the right to get A and G. And measure from G 1 inch downward to get H. Then you have to connect F to H with a line. Note, the distance between F to H must be equal to the distance between F to G. Number 9. C to I. C to I is 1/2 of shoulder measurement minus 3/4 inch. Then connect H to I with a broken line. D to J is a 1/4 of bust measurement plus 1/2 inch for ease. Shape the armhole from HIJ with a French curve. Use the broken line for proper positions of French curve. See the illustration. Number 11, E to K is a 1/4 waist measurement plus 1/2 inch for ease, and add 1/2 inch for waist start. Connect J to K with a broken line. Number 12, A to L is the bust height measurement plus 1 inch. 13, L to L1 is the bust distance to the right square down L1 to make EK and mark the intersection as M. Measure 1/2 inch on both sides of M. Connect each side to L1 which line to manifest the waist start. Number 14. K and N is the 1/2 inch to line JK. Connect N to J with a line and N to M with slight curve. Let's have an activity. Directions. Fill in the blanks from the choices inside the circle. Bear in your mind that in drafting the body's pattern, not all measurements are used as it is like the blank and bust height. There are measurements that need to be divided into parts such as blank and blank, while others are divided into like blank and blank. For the performance task, draft the pattern or front bodies using the given measurement in Table 1 or the measurement that you have already. Please ask someone to take picture as you performing the activity and a clear picture of your output for your portfolio. Always remember, observe safety measure. These are the rubrics. And the perfect score is 20. Thanks and have a great day.